Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my Thanksgiving cactus. They are blooming. This one is a big one that I had, I think, more than 3 years, and it's full of buds. As you can see, there's buds and buds and buds, and one has opened and there's another one going to open. Well, quite a few are going to open. This is like a dark red. Not that dark, but yeah. And this is another one which is pink. How lovely is that? And we have more to come, as you can see. And this one is like almost like a salmon color, and it is in bloom, and there's more to come. I don't have problems with this one, right? And this one, I believe it's pink as well. It has the buds, and the other one is white because there's two in this pot. And then there's another one here which is replanted it. One is white, and this one is kind of, the leaves turned kind of pink. I don't know why, but it did bloom, and there's a nice highlighted pink, really nice and bright highlighted pink. That is so awesome. And it's in there, so kind of bent down. Yes, the only ones I'm having trouble with, well, I had trouble with, is the Christmas cactus. I don't seem to have luck on those, but these ones are okay. They bloom for me. So far so good. And I just wanted to share with you all these blooms about to come. Anyways, my friends, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.